Greetings, it's June 15th, 2021. I'm Kenneth or Kenny Segan, artist in Seattle since 1980. I worked at Seattle Public Library as a clerk from late 1980 through spring 85, and then again spring 86 till I retired at the end of 2010. And I used to chat with various patrons I met over the years, and some of them visited my studio, went to exhibits and so on. In the early 1980s, I chatted with a patron named Earl Dean Hanna, and he visited my art studio, which is in the YMCA, kitty corner from the main public library where I worked in the 1980s downtown. He told me he was a designer. I'm able to pinpoint the year to either 1983 or 84 because I remember he saw this work and he told me my lettering was really boring. And then I must have subsequently redone all the lettering on the bottom. It says, I'm just pacing around this zoo, exclamation, in a cell not fit for you, just because they can think, comma, I'm locked up in this rink, exclamation. It's dated 1983, 84. It's a mixture of an etching, an aquatint with hand coloring, which I cut out from the rectangular shape. And it looks like I might have relief printed some wood blocks, perhaps. I'm not even actually recognize them, where I got the imagery from. Anyway, I remember specifically he told me that I needed to work on letters in writing in the artworks. And I was invited over to his place for dinner once. I was invited over to his place for dinner once, and I did this portrait drawing of him on site there. And the text below at the bottom reads, quote, and this quotes from him, Vivaldi is an interesting word, a beautiful word. I sure like his music. The word is funny thing about it. I seldom think about my past life. The older you get, the closer your past becomes. Vivaldi, the word, the design of the word visually from left to right, the contrast of the triangles in it is beautiful. It's the only name in musical composition whose name looks like the sound. It designs visual and phonetically, which is really an abstract thought. Good grief, exclamation. Earl Dean Hanna, 2nd November, 1986. This I wrote, from what he had told me, born Kansas City, Missouri, 1930s, late 1930s, moved to Los Angeles County, wartime as a boy. Quote from him, we were there one night when there was an air raid, supposedly. They intercepted some of their U.S., in parentheses, owned planes and set off all this anti-aircraft fire. Radar had just been invented. Are you going back to Missouri for your vacation? Question mark. End of quotation. My portrait was in ink and rather Baskin-like, referring to the late American artist Leonard Baskin, a famous draftsman and etcher and woodcut printmaker as well. I must have sent them an announcement for the exhibit I had in 1987 at Gracie's Restaurant on Broadway in the Capital District, because he sent me this like hand calligraphy, like kind of testimonial letter. I'm going to put it on my website. And he wasn't Jewish, by the way, but it's captioned Rothschild, misspelled Rothschild, Alzheimer, misspelled Alzheimer. Just call me Al. It's kind of European or British, kind of royal type of ink imagery there. Dear Ken, it was good to see you yesterday, even in the hectic atmosphere of the zoo, exclamation. I'm assuming he was referring to the library. I want to reiterate my enthusiasm for the Gracie's exhibit The whole presentation is superbly conceived with style and elegance commensurate with your work. The restaurateur has great taste. I trashed all of the art on the walls of my 4th Avenue pied-à-terre. I didn't want my Segan magnificent bridge to suffer its presence. I don't know, I must have, maybe I brought him one of my bridge etchings as a gift for the dinner invite. I don't remember. I have to look it up. With all the frustrating encumbrance of an art career, permanent pigment, canvas, paper, paint, talent, glue, spit, frames, etc., I've decided to become a writer of biographies. My first project will be Segan in the style of Kelly on Sinatra. I already have a 700-page manuscript based on a condensation of your 1,000-page resume. Forgive me for neglecting my friend and concentrating on the business of my own selfish survival, for you are indeed in my thoughts. E.D., I guess, Earl Dean. I can't really make out any of this arty-looking signatures. Well, this one looks like Rex, R-E-X, February 15th. That must have been February 15th, 1987. All right, I went to Google, did internet searches for him a few weeks ago, and one website came up and said Earl Dean Hanna is deceased. I couldn't find any more information as to where and when. But it's probably him. How many Earl Dean Hannas might there be? Anyway, that's it. Thanks, Budgies. For your musical accompaniment, I have a Vivaldi music CD on my CD player. All right, there you have it.